Good morning, everyone. Let's see the start, which is the first sentence, which is the left part of the other project. As you can see, this is homework 3, devices from East 22 for the sixth part. This is control is ESP32 buttons LED control project of the single L, and this is the kitchen walls. Different process which is older than the against project persons we will cover today. This is a project is presented by Yulian Z, and we will develop it into its ignorance is better than assessed. Uh, Moving the this is sensitive through the last through look to this is the process over with you the cross graph of this is the process is to just the remote control of the LEDs using the ESP32 device teams bodies, and this is a single L control platform semicolons. We can here everything to the first of the person first. The rest the on and off switching of the LED and sending control of the two building king modes one which is 276 in birth, and the other which is and 0.5 seconds intense. This is the Tersis LT app application. It is protein sequence in control remote labeling, controlling the smart homes. And more important is about that interaction control of the LT process to understand how hardware and could performs work together. In Bori and parameter controlling first, we must enter single ESP32 here. Lastly, this is the last is the conversion built-in implement the ESP32 and single in oil, which out it. This hardware contains experience so and control which is the cool platform. Next, we need to compare this is the control processor of the information for single oil actions. Username Yu Lianzhi. This is the person to website LT single L. Device ID ESP32 parent Yu Lianzhi LT. Device permission EIP32 ULNZ LT. Firmware is control Wi-Fi information. This is the city is ULNZ, and the protein is U 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is protein select. This device is so after the car and new war and night war and rise. This is the ESP232 can control is linking link to this is code object, and the video is definition. First, we can say the single ESP232 object named sync. This object is just a pair of 4 L different things is similar, and reporting bear wind their ESP232 and single L. Think of its other MacJ, Martins, Harvey, and the Cord. This is way different to Barrington Bridge. LED the pink this is controls the Morgan's Birkins model. LED pink the first sync controls this is first Birkins mode. This is basically the real AirKit as switches for the two Birkin made ladder. On the right side of the sedan, you can see the connection difference of the ESP body and the USB 2 series is controller, which is Barton's hardware stand from the full person name and the depending. This is supplementation. This is supplementation runs only once, which is the ESP32 starts. So it is used for integration talks. Last banking derivatives the 4 cases that this is the commutation, and this is JSON. We use the same parent 2 series. The parent is 2115 This is also as to the output. Debugging information to the series is Martins, which is very useful for tracing halting. Connection of the control as used. Gipno model the conformation start GIMPO to output method. Wi-Fi connection called this is AD Wi-Fi SIM-ID CID plus word to this is ESP32 connected to the combination Wi-Fi now work. Reality representation. This is a camera is for control code control. We present 3 regions. This is think the object. LED display controls is vary the level of the game 2 for one check on and off. LED blink direction delay adjust normal building and is the first building. LED blink delay is the first fast. This is the fast building and the device mode is building. This is the person is the loop from the vacation. This is the wrong. This is after spelling is to remain can change it option is the how to the key this. Modern control commands cause think hard day. Think then is no knowledgeable. It keeps the ESP32 connected to the single oil and lasting for the control commands for the person from which out it. The development where is lost the control which the cool control LED building present on the surface of the 2 bottomly regions. The LED blinking is wrong. Try. This LED blinks at 2 seconds in transitions. 2 second on, 2 second off. LED blinking fast is Troy. This LED blinks of the 1 second in the 1 second on and 1 second off. First, the contextual application, which will see the independent remote LED control, which is ESP32 and the single L. However, this is object control head and modules. This is process working. For example, Weber LED with its building. This is driver control reported to the code Kubernetes because this is a program which drops in the device lab. To service this, we will use the melting forms to the importance and memory appearances use like directly, which is process in program. Meals take is time which out blocking other text after this is important. This is part of this started this. This after spreading to conversing and chromaticity of the important substances. In short, this is the process classic LT worked form demands hardware implementation, code implementation, reversing the interim. Compression is it. It is of the device and can be experienced to smart home landing of the device is more. This way, the currency German process plus. This is however various way to the project is the running currently of the explained. Checking this is Wi-Fi. Contention start and LED control signals. This is a mother. This is all of the finger by finger application. If you have a question about everything control, feel this is ask. Thank you.